The three words that are mentioned in the choice article are autonomy, agency, and mindfulness. Those are very huge components within any type of successful treatment. Mm-hmm. So let's first just take a look at what agency implies. And many patients, when they start therapy, come in with a tremendous lack of agency. Agency basically is our faith, our confidence in a way, in our ability to achieve a goal. And a lot of patients come in with tremendous historical failure in therapy, or many efforts on their own, whether through self-help books or other types of efforts to achieve certain goals. And they've been thwarted in many of those efforts. And therefore they come in basically with a mindset of they don't think that they can be quote unquote helped.
Gotcha.
And so, really important is the idea that a person set aside that lack of faith and focus on an openness to receiving a skills-based approach, which is what we practice in terms of approaching these complications in life, sometimes OCD and other conditions, with a commitment and a determination to follow the guidelines. The next word is autonomy, and autonomy is basically our sort of awareness of how we drive our own life. It's the life that's driven by the gatekeeper and not by the brain voice. Right. Many conditions are a result of people being compliant with the brain voice and not knowing that they have the autonomy to be able to make different choices based on their values and goals, rather than kind of being a puppet, as I say, of the brain voice's manipulation.
Gotcha.
And the final word is mindfulness,
right?
Which, as I understand it, is the awareness of our thoughts and the awareness of our brain voice versus the gatekeeper thoughts, and a tremendous amount of non-judgmental nature. Right. So if our brain does say pizza, rather than being frustrated or feeling thwarted by my own brain, I can just say, hey, brain, thank you for sharing. That's fine. Yes, pizza is always the desired choice, but I'm going to mindfully choose a diet that's within my values.
Right. So mindfulness being the capacity to accept without necessarily acting on or judging yourself for whatever may be going on for you at that moment.
Exactly.